Hi folks, and welcome to Animated LED Lighting. Today I want to show you how to use strip lights on a drop ceiling so you can put the lighting anywhere and you don't need to sacrifice one of the ceiling tiles for the big bulky lights. We make a patented lighting diffuser to clip right onto the rails. So you hang your rails to the ceiling as you normally would, and you can get your LEDs from anywhere. I personally get mine from super bright LEDs, which I am not affiliated with. I am affiliated with BTF lighting for most of my individually addressable lights, which you can hang up as well. Peel off the backing and just adhere them right to the metal strips. It's just that simple. So you press them in place and you're good to go. Now when that's up on the ceiling like these are here, you'll see that you can go ahead and just press them into place. They don't add any extra weight, and then you just clip on the bezel, which clips in on one side, and then you just clip it in on one side and then just snap the other side into place. And it's all set, ready to go. Get yourself, your lights should come with a power supply. I rigged these up with a little jack on it so I can show you what we're doing. And then if you just need lights over a simple workbench, you can go ahead and do the same thing. Just take a 2 or a 4 foot strip, put them on there, put one of these little connectors on there, and then you can go ahead and just plug it in with a wall wart. And that's pretty much it. And you can hang those from the ceiling and have your lights anywhere you want. You can put them on the cross braces instead of the main beams. You can put them anywhere. But that'll give you lighting over any bench or any setup that you need. Maybe you have a game room or something and you've put lights on the back of your TV, but you kind of would like to put them up on the ceiling. Now you can with our custom patented LED strip light diffuser. You can get them available on Etsy, Amazon, and our website at www.animatedledlighting.com.